Though the king of fruits, our very own mango, steals the limelight easily, its leaves are great reservoirs of good health. The leaves of the mango tree are fleshy and shiny with a sharp tip. The leaves are full of vitamins, enzymes, antioxidants, and numerous other minerals. The active compound mangiferin present in these leaves has immense benefits. Mango leaves can be boiled in water and drank or can be consumed in powdered form to ward off a number of health problems. In Southeast Asia, the tender leaves of this tree are cooked and eaten. Also for medicinal purposes young leaves should be used. But one has to be careful when using these leaves as mango latex allergy is known to affect people. Some great benefits of mango leaves are: diabetes. Patients of diabetes can use leaves in two forms. Leaves are dried in the shade, grinded and stored in clean jars. About 1 teaspoon can be taken daily. Or, fresh leaves are soaked in water, kept for a few hours or overnight and strained the next day. Both preparations give great benefits to diabetes patients, especially when taken at the onset of this problem. They help to maintain the insulin levels in the body and reduce hyperglycemia. Vascular diseases. Diabetes can lead to a lot of complications including eye problems. Leaves of mango contain tannins which are called anthocyanins. Mango leaf tea is known to be beneficial in treating diabetic retinopathy and other vascular apathies. Blood pressure and anxiety. These leaves have compounds which have a calming effect on the nerves in the system, bringing down anxiety and restlessness. Add 2 to 3 cups of mango tea to water for bathing, and feel the senses rejuvenated. Also, blood pressure can be controlled by sipping the tea of these leaves. Varicose veins and hypertension. Brewed mango tea, which is prepared by boiling young leaves in water till it changes color, can treat varicose veins. It works by basically making the delicate blood vessels stronger. 2 tablespoons of the juice of fruits like guava, papaya, or mango can be added to a cup of this tea to get faster results. Hypertension is also relieved if blood vessels are functioning well. Asthma, bronchitis, and cough. These respiratory problems can be effectively treated with the tea of mango leaves. The problem of the whooping cough is greatly benefited by sipping the decoction of these leaves. Adding honey to this tea can comfort a sore throat, and aid to restore back the voice due to overstraining of the throat. Hiccups and sore throat. Mango leaves are burnt and the smoke is inhaled to provide relief from continuous hiccups and aching throat. Gargling with tea of these leaves is also a good option. Care should be taken not to suffer burns in this process. Burns. Burns can be healed fast by the use of burnt mango leaf ashes. The leaves are burnt and the ashes can be collected and smeared on the burns to accelerate healing. Gum problems. The ash of these leaves can be applied to the aching tooth to provide relief from pain. These leaves are boiled and strained and the infusion can be used as a rinse or gargled with, to provide comfort from various oral ailments. Kidney stones. The powder of dry mango leaves should be taken with water regularly to treat kidney stones. Soon they are crushed and flushed out of the body. Earaches. Extract the juice of a few mango leaves. Warm about 1 teaspoon of it and use it as drops to treat earaches. Digestion. Warm some water and add fresh mango leaves, which have been cleaned well. Cover and leave overnight. Strain and drink this water next morning. This is like a system regenerator. Also about 1 teaspoon leaves of mango and neem can be coarsely crushed and eaten every day to detoxify the body. Thank you and may this information useful for you.